How many chicken nuggets? Our first solution. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we are going to showcase my first attempt at this. So just go easy on me. I know this is absolute garbage, but this was written 8-9 years ago. So let's just kind of go through what I did and how I answered it. But if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. And make sure you're hitting that like button, subscribe button, and most important, the notification bell so you're not missing any of those videos that are coming out. So, all right. Last video I proposed, how could you find a combination of 6, 9, and 20 to get any number after 48? So just to kind of revisit. It's an MIT proposed question of how to get a certain number of combinations of 6, 9, and 20 to get answers, to get quantities of 48, or my favorite, like 51 or 101. All right, so this is the way that I attacked this, is I created a dictionary, an empty dictionary, and I looked at these as dial combinations, 0 through 10 or 0 through 9. So that would be 10 variations. Of course, zeros all the way across wouldn't work. So what I did is in a for loop, and I know we're going to address each week, we're going to address better and better ways to optimize this. So I am 100% aware this is not a very good solution. But I want to pause here. But it works. That's what I want. That's what you need to get out of this. Can you devise a solution? Does it work? Then, after that, can I optimize it? Don't try to write an algorithm or a solution optimized. You'll go insane. Get a solution, then optimize it. So, okay. So what I did is I'm looping through. So as we go through, we are checking each one. Now, granted, we are checking 0 through 9 3 times. So we're going through this. So we're checking, we're hitting 10 times, and this is actually a good way to look at this. So how many times through is this being run? It's 1,000. Except if we hit our solution, then we break. And the reason why we need to break out of this is when you use the break, it only breaks you out of your innermost loop, your while loop or your for loop. So now when I run this, so let's do this, 48. Now granted, that's an easy combination. It's just 6 times 8. Now if I do 51, so it's 6 times 7 plus 1 times 9. So now over the next few weeks, I'm going to show you optimized ways and variations of this challenge and solution. So in our next video, what we're going to do is we are going to look at, because right here, I cheated. This is lazy programming. I know, because it was, what the challenge was write a solution of combinations from 48 to 100. So let's see, let's do 100. Of course, this is the first time it is found. Now, if we do 101, I think this was my favorite one when I really realized that what I was able to do. Okay, so now let's say this is just, I don't know. I'm hoping that now there is a limitation here, because if I try to do anything, what is it? Is it 300? It will not work. Yeah, it is out of compliance because we can only get up to 200 and something. So now what I want you to do is I want you to think of a solution of what is the first occurrence with the lowest number of combinations. So now that is a little more challenging, and we are going to need to make this dynamic. So there's a hint. What would we need to do to change this? And also, this one probably won't be too challenging. How can we clean this up right here and get rid of all of this? There's a real easy solution. So think about a solution to clean this up, and how can we make this dynamic with the lowest number of combinations? So that's what we're going to be attacking next video. So please drop any comments, questions, video requests, and if you've not jumped over to the Discord server down below, go ahead and do that. We have a lot of great conversations going on there. It's a great supportive community. It is focused, it is hyper-focused on new individuals learning Python. So please jump over there, ask any questions. You'll get all the support you need. But most important, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.